Hey everybody, it's Margaret here at My Favorite Quilt Store. And I wanted to give you an overview of what's inside this quilt kit. It is one of my favorites. It is Spring Sampler by Riley Blake, and it's designed by Sandy Gervais and uses her line Adel and Spring as the fabric that's in this quilt kit. And it is a beautiful pastel, wonderful line. What I love about this quilt kit is we've got bees and bunnies and flowers and baby birds, and then some other blocks that go along with it that really make this a fun sampler to make. Everything in here is pieced. It does have a little bit of hand stitching on it, but let's take a look inside and see what we've got. So inside, she gives great directions on how to make this quilt kit, and there are a load of directions in here. So every single section has a different piecing guide, so that you'll know, like, this is the bunny and how to piece the bunny, and this is the birds and how to piece the birds. So every section has, and this is the flower section, so how to piece the flower. So every section has its own little instructions so that you can make sure that you make all the different sections of the sampler in here. So then what it does is also give you the colored pictures so you can match the fabrics that go with it. So on the background, again, we've got this wonderful kind of like cross-hatched, beautiful cream fabric. Then we also have the teal and the mint, or the dark mint and the light mint, that are great for the outside border around it that goes around it. That's the weave ribbon look. So that is the main the main fabrics of the quilt. And then we've got lots of the prints from the collection that are all in a rainbow of colors that'll be beautiful to make this spring looking quilt for your holiday festivities. So this works well into early spring, and I would say all the way through Easter, with all the fun with the bunnies and the birds and everything on it. And you can also make this in different, like every block is different, so you could change up the way it's laid out if you wanted to in the quilt kit. So I think this one is going to be really, really fun. It's designed by Sandy Gervais. Again, it's Adel in Spring fabric collection, and what a fun quilt it'll make and a treasure it'll be to have in your home. Happy quilting!